Are you feeling like you're just drowning in stuff? In this explainer, we're going to talk about minimalism, but forget what you think you know. We're looking at it as a way to get your time and energy back to finally make room for what truly matters. Does this sound like your life? Your desk is a disaster zone. Your phone is screaming for attention every seconds. And your calendar looks like a game of Tetris that you're definitely losing. It's just this constant feeling of being stretched thin. All of those distractions, the physical stuff, and the digital noise, they're eating up so much valuable space. It's about clearing out the mental clutter to make room for the people and things you actually love. Before we jump into how to do this, we need to get on the same page. The word minimalism throws a lot of people off. It comes with some serious baggage, a lot of myths. Let's just bust those. The myth that minimalism is this super strict rule book. The idea that you have to own a certain number of things and live in a cold white empty box. The reality is that it's a tool, a totally flexible one that you shape to fit your life. It's not about a magic number of items. It's about being intentional. The point isn't a sterile museum. It's a warm personal home that actually works for you. A lot of this confusion actually comes from where the term started. It began as an art movement back in the 60s, all about pure, simple forms. The lifestyle version we're talking about today has evolved so much. It's a personal thing, not something you'd see in a modern art gallery. That brings us to maybe the most important takeaway of this whole thing. Minimalism is a tool, not a rulebook. Let's really dig into this definition, because it's key. It's a practical tool. You are the one who shapes it. It is absolutely not a one-size-fits-all deal. The whole entire point is to just cut through the noise, the extra stuff, the endless scrolling, the crazy schedule, so you can finally focus on what you actually care about. It has to be kind to your routine. This whole process shouldn't feel like a punishment. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about creating a system that makes your life simpler, not harder. That's the what. But now for the big question, why bother? Let's get into the good stuff, the payoff. The benefits really hit major parts of your life. Mentally, when there's less visual noise around you, your stress levels go down and your focus goes way up. A clear desk can genuinely help create a clear mind. Think about all the hours you'll get back when you're not constantly cleaning, organizing, or searching for your keys. When you're intentional with your spending, you just buy less junk. Fewer impulse buys means more savings. These are the real wins. You're not just losing stuff, you're gaining so much more. You're gaining calm. You're gaining time. You're gaining financial freedom. You're basically designing a life that's smoother and just easier. This sounds great, but where on earth do I even begin? It can feel super overwhelming. Let's make it really practical. Here are your first super simple steps. The absolute key here is to start small. Please do not try to declutter your entire house in one weekend. You'll burn out. First, figure out your why. What's your goal? Write it down. That's your fuel. Just pick one tiny spot like a nightstand or kitchen counter and make it a totally clutter-free zone. It's like creating a little island of calm. Work on stopping the flow of new stuff coming in. Try a mini digital detox. Turn off some of those notifications. It's all about small wins. They build on each other. Owning less isn't deprivation. It's a really smart strategy. It's a strategy to protect your most valuable resources, your time, your cash, and your sanity. To wrap things up, I want to leave you with one question and think bigger than just a physical thing. It could be a meeting on your calendar you know you don't need, a push notification on your phone, or maybe even an old idea that's just not serving you anymore. What is one thing that you could let go of today to get a little bit of your time and your life back?